Hello, I'm Steve Skancke, Chief Economic Advisor at Keel, and I'm pleased to be able to share our thoughts about the U.S. economy and financial markets. The U.S. economic environment and financial markets currently favor investing in stocks and bonds, and the outlook for doing so through the balance of 2026 is positive, though not without risks. The December core inflation index came out this week, showing prices rising 2.6% over the past 12 months, which was as expected, but still above the Federal Reserve target of 2%. U.S. economic growth continues to outperform expectations, with the most recent forecast for fourth quarter currently at an annualized rate of 5.1%, based on strong consumer and government spending and a surge in exports versus imports. The most encouraging news last week was a report that U.S. productivity grew at a rate of 4.9% in the third quarter, after growing at a 4.1% rate in the second quarter. This will help reduce inflation, spur corporate earnings, support additional hiring, as it has historically. So the economic and earnings momentum coming into 2026 is supportive of another good year for investors. The biggest challenges facing financial markets in 2026 arise from uncertainty around U.S. government policies. So far in 2026, markets have had to digest the U.S. arresting a foreign head of state, senior U.S. government officials outlining U.S. goals for intervening in the affairs of other countries, such as Venezuela, Mexico, Colombia, Iran, and Denmark, pressuring U.S. Federal Reserve officials with investigations of malfeasance, directing the capping of credit card interest rates, prohibiting U.S. defense companies from paying dividends, making stock buybacks, and capping their CEO salaries. This is a lot for investors to digest, and financial markets are showing signs of indigestion after reaching new record high levels. Whether these uncertainties will trigger a market correction remains to be seen. With such strong economic fundamentals in place, we are more likely to see increasing volatility of stock and bond prices as these issues settle out and markets decide their importance to investment results. We have some interesting graphical information about the economy and financial markets we'd be happy to share with you. Please contact your advisor and any of our Keel Point team if you have questions or would like additional information. Thank you, and again, best wishes for this new year.